Boom, baby, Morad Fiki. I'm at Bluemercury right here off of Voss in between San Felipe and Woodway, and we're gonna check out this amazing spa. I have Amanda waiting for us. Let's check it out. Hi, Amanda. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
Good, hi.
Thank you so much for having me today.
Yeah, thanks for coming in.
Yes, for sure. So I wanted to expand upon your business and just show our viewers how amazing it is here, right here off of Voss.
Absolutely.
And it's the Whole Foods, so you take it away.
Yeah, absolutely. So hi, I'm Amanda. I'm the store manager here at the Bluemercury on the corner of Woodway and San Felipe. So we're located at 1407 South Voss Road. It's right next to Whole Foods and across the street from Trader Joe's. We have been at this location for about 6 years, and every single week I still get clients who come in who tell me that they pass by here all the time and never step in because they didn't think that we had any brands they liked. And I think people have a preconceived notion that we carry like our own proprietary brands or like exclusive. And while that's true, we have a lot of brands that people actually like Trish McEvoy, and we have 𝐷𝐄𝐋𝐿, Bobbi Brown, Laura Mercier, 𝐬𝐏𝐿, Barbara Sturm, and 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒 Spotter.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting. It's super easy. It's easy access. There's always plenty of parking. You don't have to worry about going to the mall, which is really nice.
Which is super nice.
Super nice. Yeah.
What are some of the other like alternatives or some of the things that your clients love? And what are some of the new brands and stuff that you have coming out?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have Osea, which is a nice natural brand here. Same thing with, like we have some really good natural brands like Tata Harper and 𝐷𝐄𝐋𝐿. We also have some European brands like Dr. Barbara Sturm and 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒 Spotter. Those are brands that clients are really liking right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like, putting it also down like in layman's terms, someone who doesn't really know all these brands.
I can do that.
Can you like say I want to get a gift for someone? Can you like show me around?
Absolutely.
And, like, give me some tips.
So let's talk about our curated sets first. These are probably my favorite. So these are gonna have everything that you would need for a gift in a cute little bag. So we have a few of these available right now. And it just kind of depends on like who you're shopping for, what your budget is, but we have things for everyone here. We also have luxury candles, hair care tools, and then not right now, but most of the time we do have a spa.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So what do you do in the spa?
Oh, we do facials, body waxing, lash tinting, brow tintings, and then full body waxing.
What's a brow tinting?
A brow tinting.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a brow.
So like I might want to like tint my color.
You
my
may.
brow?
You may.
Whoa.
Yeah, just give it a little bit more of a bolder look. Who knows?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. When is the spa opening back up?
We're just waiting to find an esthetician.
Okay.
So if you happen to know anybody,
Okay.
let me know.
We'll find you one.
Yeah, awesome.
Let's have a look at the luxury candles.
Let's do it.
I love candles.
Oh my gosh, me too. So this is 𝐓𝐾𝐄. And the great thing about 𝐓𝐾𝐄 is everything, all these boxes are hand blown. So once you're done with them, clean them out and you can use them as a vessel in your home. So they have small candles, large candles, and diffusers in an array of scents.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, that's great. Is there any last things you'd like to showcase on this? We're gonna put the link up and also like, give you a plug.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
for people who want to come by, is there anything else that
Yeah, so we actually do makeup lessons. We do makeup for eventing, and those things start at $55.
Ooh, when are the makeup lessons?
So you can book those anytime. You can do them online through our website, or you can call our store and we can do it for you in person.
So like show me how to do my makeup and everything?
We
Oh,
can
great.
Chisel that jaw and everything. Yeah, anything you need.
Great. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you so
That was
much.
So great.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. We'll catch you soon.